Schroeder Industries recognized the need for a particle monitor that is portable and allows the user to print the data directly from the field. Schroeder offers the TPM TestMate particle monitor as a great option. The TPM has the ability to test the particulate contamination of the fluid either in line from a reservoir or in a bottle sample. TPM is user programmable. In fact, you can program it to shut down a piece of equipment when the desired contamination level is met. Particles are measured in 4 different channels: 4, 6, 14, and 21 micron sizes. The TPM is extremely convenient. It is portable and has a built-in printer. This means you no longer have to return to your office to make printouts. Fluid cleanliness data is automatically documented on a small slip of paper. This makes on-site recording of contamination quick and simple. Another way to view the data that the TPM acquires is on your PC. All the data on the TPM can be downloaded to a PC and viewed on our Flumos software. The screen at the top of the TPM displays the data that the TPM has acquired. Below the display screen is a keypad. This helps you navigate through the different modes on the TPM. Next to the keypad is the flow control. By rotating this knob, you can adjust the flow of fluid through the TPM. On top of the unit is one of the TPM's most appealing features, a built-in printer. First, make sure the changeover valve on the back is set to suction. Adjust the flow control valve on the front. Turn it all the way clockwise. Hook up the power supply in the outlets shown. Power on the unit by flipping on the power switch. To access the power up mode, press the forward and backward keys simultaneously. Set the measured volume to 30 milliliters and press OK. We're now going to select what mode we want. The TPM has many different options here, and we'll go into further detail on that later on in this video. For now, set the TPM to mode 6, Auto Stop Pump. Lastly, we'll want to set how long the sample is taken for. Press the limits key. Set the start delay to 5 seconds and press OK. This purges air from the unit before the sample is taken. Set the stop after to 1. This means the unit will shut off the pump after taking 1 sample. Press OK to confirm the setting and the stop button to take you back to the main page. Pressing OK on the main page begins the sampling process. Setting up the TPM for a reservoir sample is very similar to the bottle sample. You'll still want the measured volume to be 30 milliliters. Once again, you'll want to select mode 6, Auto Stop, and again, you'll set the start delay to 5 seconds. Setting the limits is where things change. We'll want to take many different samples instead of just 1. Set the stop after to 10. This means that the TPM will take 10 different samples of the fluid in the reservoir and give you a reading that is an averaging of these readings. As we said, the TPM is extremely versatile and has several different modes. Mode 1 is used for measuring oil cleanliness without using the control functions. This is good for short-term measurement of system cleanliness. Mode 2 is measuring and switching. This allows the TPM to signal external devices to switch on or off, for instance, an alarm indicator lamp on a control panel. Mode 3 is called Filter 2. And it enables the TPM to assume control of an external filtration unit, meaning that the filter will only be turned on when the contamination levels are above a certain level and filtration is necessary. Mode 4 is similar to Mode 3, but is called Filter From 2. This allows the TPM to switch the external filtration unit on and off depending on how high the contamination levels are. Mode 5, called Measure Auto Stop. This allows you to set the number of single measurements via the TPM's high pressure port. After measurement is concluded, the pump is automatically stopped. Mode 6 is the mode we used earlier in this video and is similar to Mode 5 but utilizes the suction inlet instead of the high pressure port. You may also want to access the memory menu. This is where the unit keeps its backlog of data. You can access saved data by scrolling through this menu. Please note that the percentage signs next to the data shows how much of the memory is being taken up. The TPM can handle either hydraulic or phosphate ester fluids. The TPM comes with or without a built-in pump. Please note, you will need the built-in pump to do bottle sampling. Cleanliness can be displayed in 2 different contamination codes. You can choose to display the cleanliness in ISO and NAS or ISO and SAE. You can also choose for the TPM to come with an optional kit that has several useful accessories. The standard model of the TPM comes with a power cord and the Flumos software. If you buy it with the optional kit, you also get the inlet and outlet hoses, PC cable, 5 rolls of printer paper, and a useful carrying case. Bear in mind, any of these accessories can also be bought separately. Useful situations for the TPM include hydraulic and lube systems, maintenance, test rigs, bottle sampling analysis, and tank analysis. A mining equipment manufacturer in the Midwest bought a TPM to measure bottle samples of the fluid in the equipment that they build for roll-off cleanliness. This means that they no longer have to send fluid samples out to a lab. Not only did this save them time, it saved them the expense of the lab analysis cost. For more information, please visit our website, www.schroederindustries.com.